All right, Lori, thanks. This month is Emergency Preparedness Month, and on our Money Mondays, we're talking about how insurance can help you be ready for whatever may come your way. And today, Nanette Gravette is here, VP of Mortgage with Mountain America Credit Union. On a Money Monday, here we go, Nanette. Let's talk about homeowners and renters insurance, because I think maybe emergency preparedness, we think about maybe in Utah an earthquake or something along those lines. So why is it important to have?
Right, I think you're exactly on the spot there. Most people do not think of insurance as a way to prepare for an emergency, but it is one of the critical things. One of the biggest reasons that you should have homeowners insurance is to protect your assets. It's estimated that nearly 64% of homes are underinsured, and that's way too much. But basically what homeowners insurance is it covers the structure of the home, it covers your personal property inside, as well as any personal responsibility or liability if somebody were to get injured on your property. Renter's insurance is slightly different. It's going to cover the contents of your apartment.
Just sort of the inside, your stuff, basically.
Yes.
Such a complex topic for people who've never really dove into this topic.
Right.
What do you see maybe people that they don't understand, or some misunderstandings about insurance? How much coverage should I have? What does it cover? Things like that. What are really common things?
There's definitely some insurance myths out there. So let's talk about the top three. The first one is that insurance is a ripoff, that you shouldn't buy too much. You should only buy what's required. And that can get you in a lot of trouble, especially when it comes to liability insurance. Let's say, for example, somebody comes to your home and they slip and fall on an icy driveway. Well, those medical costs, their lost wages, and possibly long-term care could be on your shoulders if you are not properly insured. So that's number one. Number two is that you should use the purchase price of your home to determine your coverage. That's a good place to start, but it might not necessarily get you all the coverage that you need, or it could possibly be too much.
Do you want to go dollar for dollar with how much your house costs or whatever?
You really want to be able to cover what you would have to replace in the event of damage. So you're not going to have to replace the land. That's going to be there. So you don't need to insure that, but you do need to have an adequate assessment of what's in your home, what it would actually cost to rebuild your home.
Some of the pricier things that you could just go out and replace on your own. I got
Exactly.
What are a couple other tips, maybe some quick ones for us?
Well, I think something that you should always keep in mind with insurance is that you want to shop around. You want to be able to talk to some different insurance companies, see what their rates are. A good way to start is also to look at bundling your insurance. A lot of times this is called multi-policy discount. So if you combine your auto and your homeowner's insurance, that's going to save you some money. Ask for any discounts that might be applied, and then also pay in full. Normally you get a discount by paying the full premium.
Like by paying like the 6-month or yearly increments, I guess, rather than going month to month?
Yes.
Good stuff. Good tips to know. Where can we go for more information?
You know, you can go to Mountain America's website, macu.com, and we can help you out there.
Some helpful tips here on a Money Monday. Nanette Gravette, thank you so much for coming in. Appreciate it. Over to you, Lori.
All right, Home Depot finally talking about the